have 150 grams of mayonnaise and a grate 4 carrots. Dip the carrot in the mayonnaise. That's good, half the bowl. 100 grams of red cabbage. 150 grams of white cabbage.
Onions.
2 small onions.
Bit close for my liking. You put that there.
Close my eyes.
Why?
Because I'm not using it too close.
You're using what?
I need a bigger bowl.
Think of that. Think of that.
What the?
Oh, you pulled it off.
I need a bigger bowl.
Careful. Stay. Oh, that mayonnaise looks lush.
I chop up fresh parsley and carrot tops.
The green bits that grow on top of the carrots.
Are we eating this?
Of course we're eating it.
Are we eating
It's gonna
carrot
look lush,
tops?
isn't it?
It's to save
It's
wasting
a herb,
them.
isn't it?
Why is there carrot tops in it?
I'll tell you what, I bet you any money you really enjoy it. What's a bit more mayonnaise, isn't it?
I made some beautiful, yummy coleslaw. Let's eat this amazing food.